Did you know? Eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime on a daily basis is linked with considerable improvement to both sleep quality and quantity. It also helps to fall asleep faster because kiwi fruit rich in serotonin. Kiwis are high in vitamin C and dietary fiber and provide a variety of health benefits. This tart fruit can support heart health, digestive health, and immunity. The kiwi is a healthy choice of fruit and is rich with vitamins and antioxidants. Eating a kiwi fruit is for sure a healthy habit in your everyday life. High in antioxidants, a daily consumption would prevent the appearance of certain cancers and limit the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The kiwi fruit would prevent the oxidation of the cells